After my original Fire TV Cube, as you can watch on the top right corner here, I decided to test this Fire TV Cube further. Because I did not include the unboxing in the previous video, so here it is. The Fire TV Cube is a really cute little thing that comes with practically everything you need inside the box. As you can see in the video here, the unit comes with a comically sized power adapter that is also cube in shape. Furthermore, also come in a package is the remote control with voice recognition, and it comes with those batteries. And because people are too lazy to read the manual, you see the picture there, so you don't have to read the manual. Although there's nothing really special with the remote, it feels beautiful in my hand, and it comes with very nice click feel every time I press the button. The direct access buttons are pretty good as well, as I use Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus quite extensively. Unfortunately, Amazon Music, not so much. I would rather have YouTube button over there. Opening the cube itself is pretty satisfying. It comes with this really nice rice paper looking wrapper. And once it's completely opened up, you can feel that the unit itself feels premium. It is nice looking, nice feeling, and actually made with nice materials. In the back, you can see from left to right, HDMI in, HDMI out, an IR extender if you need to, power connector, a USB input, and a network adapter. On the top, you can see controls for Alexa. Now, I personally don't use Alexa in my home theater because, it's confusing. But it's there if you want to use it. As far as response goes, after a couple of restarts, this unit becomes really fast. In certain instances, it's actually faster than my NVIDIA Shield Pro 2019, which is extremely fast to begin with. Still, however, unfortunately, the super resolution does not seem to work. As you can see here, whether I turn it on or turn it off, I can't tell the difference, and I'm using a 96-inch screen viewed from 9 feet away. Regardless, however, the upscaling itself is already very good to begin with, so it's not something that I really miss. Although, I still wish for the super resolution to actually work. At the end of the day, why have a feature if it does not even work? So overall, I still can recommend this unit quite highly, especially if you are inside the Alexa ecosystem. So if you're new to streaming or you're upgrading from Fire Stick, I don't see any reason why you don't want to upgrade to this Fire TV Cube.